Hey everyone, I've decided to learn a superpower. And I'm not kidding. That superpower is automation. I'm tired of doing the same boring, repetitive tasks over and over. Copying, pasting, downloading, renaming, sending the same email. I've heard there's a better way. I found this tool called n8n, which apparently stands for Nodemation. For the next 90 days, I'm going to try and master it. I'm starting from zero. I barely know what it is, and I'm aiming for hero. I'm documenting every single day of my journey, and I'm taking you with me. This is day one. What is this thing, and why should we even care? Let's find out. Okay, so first, what is automation? Let's draw it out the 10-year-old way. Right now, a lot of our computer work looks like this. For example, we get an email, we open it, we open the attachment, okay, we save the file, we open another app, like a spreadsheet, we type in something. Okay, this is manual. It's really, really boring and it's slow. It really makes you sad. Now, what if a robot could do all of that for you? That's what n8n is. Okay, it's a no code tool. No code tool. Which means we don't need to be genius programmers. We just connect blocks like Legos. So with n8n, the process looks like this. So with n8n, the process looks like this. Okay, that's it. n8n just sits in the middle and listens. Okay, when the trigger happens, okay, like a new email, it automatically wakes up and performs the actions we told it to do. It's a tool that connects all our different apps like Gmail, Google Drive, Slack, HubSpot, anything, and makes them talk to each other. So n8n is our digital robot, okay, that handles the boring stuff. So let's go sign up for the cloud version so we can start practicing. Okay, all right, so we are here in google.com. Just gonna say n8, I'm just gonna search for n8n cloud. So I'm gonna click this one here. It's n8, it says n8n.io. Just gonna click this, and then you can read whatever you want about this, and I'm just gonna say get started for free. It's going to give you this page here. Enter your full name, your email address, your password, and account name. And then you can hit start free 14-day trial. I've already done that, so I'm just going to skip this part. Okay, it gives you a page where it asks you a bit of questions about yourself. What is the size of your company? It's only me. What team are you on? Let's just say I don't know, maybe IT. What best describes your company? Automation agency. We're just learning, so we could just say other. Let's just say student. Okay. Which of these do you feel comfortable doing? Let's just say nothing for now because we are going to consider ourselves total beginners. Okay. How did you hear about n8n? YouTube, of course. That's why we're here. Okay. If you have any team members, you can invite them. I don't have any, so I'm just going to say skip. And your workspace is ready. You could view this quick start, but I'm here to basically help you skip these boring tutorials. Say start automating. And we are in. This is the n8n dashboard. This is where we'll be spending the next 90 days. Let's do a quick 30-second tour here now. So over here on the left, this is where it says workflows. This is the most important part. A workflow is our automation recipe. Okay, we'll build our first one tomorrow. Then we have here credentials. This is our secure password vault. When we want n8n to connect to our Gmail or Google Sheets, we'll save the password here so it's safe. We have here execution. This is the logbook. It will show us every time one of our automations has successfully run or if it failed. Then we also have here some templates. This really looks cool. We have pre-built workflows. We can just copy and use them. We'll definitely explore this later. That's it for now. I mean, workflows and credentials seem to be the two big ones for now. Our goal is to fill this workflows screen with amazing time-saving automations. And that's day one. We are all done. We now know what n8n is. It is our personal automation robot, okay, that connects our apps. It waits for a trigger and then performs an action, okay, whatever action we tell it. And we are all signed up for a free cloud account and we know our way around the main dashboard. We are officially set up and ready to build. Tomorrow, we will build our very first workflow. It's the hello world of automation and it's super simple. If you're learning along with me, your homework is to get your account set up. Drop a comment below when you're done. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2.